Well, hello everybody. Um, I don't know if this music is copyrighted, so I'm gonna turn it down. But we're gonna be playing Stray. Let's do it. Um, I forgot. Oh. Clear. Yes. It's been like 3 years since I played this. I don't remember anything about this game. I remember like you had to do something with like a paint can or something. Oh, it's raining. I remember this. Thought we just me started out. Jeez. I want a Stray 2. Like, we need a Stray 2. As soon as it comes out on Xbox, I will be playing it. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's like my dad or something. Like my brother. One of my dad are. Oh, I don't think any of these are actually related to me. I think it's just like we're strays and we're just working together. Aww. Cuteness overload. Cuteness overload. I like water. um. The funny part is they used a real cat for this. So it's like. Let's go. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. I don't want to go to bed. I want to explore. What's back here? I don't remember why it's like this. Why is everything so overgrown? Oh my gosh, this game is beautiful. Let's sleep. Oh, so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay. Like, it looks realistic. Honestly, just want to watch it. I don't know. Ah. Mm. Big stretch. We need to loaf. We need to be able to loaf. We're going to be playing this in parts. Maybe. Inside the wall. Where's the dad? Where's the black cat? There he is. Okay. I should play this again on National Cat Day, October 29th. I'm thirsty. Like I would pay to see Money as a Stray movie incorporated into like real life, like a real life Stray movie. It's just the game, but more cinematic, no dialogue, just cute cat doing cute things. Like I'm thirsty. I want to drink from here. No, I want to drink from there. Water. Let's go. Okay. I remember he falls, but I don't remember when he falls. So I'm like on the edge of my seat. Oh, spoilers if you haven't played this game. Sorry. I have to, yeah. Spoiler warning. I should have told you. It is a sad game. I hate to break it to people. Meow meow. Meow meow. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just gotta. I gotta explore, okay? I'm an exploring boy. Yeah, I just want to get this out because somebody heard my voice and said, should tell me my video, like, that's you? I'm just gonna. Where's my family? I just like cats. Meow 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 meow. Yeah, we'll be saying meow a lot, and call me furry all you want. I'm happy about my decisions of playing this game. Be careful. Pretty sure there's like a sad scene that soon. Or maybe it happens later. Maybe there's like another chapter that should I follow Mama or Dada? I like this one. And I can only touch the color that it lets me touch. Like if there's orange I have to touch. What the frick are you doing? How do you crouch? Everyone follow me. Follow the leader. Do 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 do. Oh my gosh, it's... Why is he just doing this? I'm an ambush predator. Cats are cute, but I'm a dog person. Yell at me all you want. I prefer dogs. Oh, I'm pretty sure it's this. Yeah, whenever there's a cutscene, I'm gonna cry. Help him! Help him! Help him! I said help him! Nobody told me this game was sad! I'm just crying. I'm not crying, you're crying. Oh, he's limping. Let's do this. Wait, am I drunk or something? Look, do not.
I knew about the tears.
There's tears on my bed now, so. She needs some rest. Did I die? There's so many dark scenes. I could make a top 10 plushy videos or something. Make like sort of like my top 10 of my like most funny parts. Only 10 minutes? Like, oh, okay, now you're fine. Ooh. Are we able to get back up? There's freaking barbed wire? Bro, like, what? This game is sad. I played this game. I really played this game because I thought it was a cute little game. I saw, my friend recommended it to me. He said it's about cats. I'm like, I'm not a big fan of cats, but, yeah. And this is the thing that got me into loving cats. Cats hate me, but I love cats. Aw, what are those? What are those guys? Last time I played this was like meow meow. Meow! Meow, I'm a mature cat. He just looked like a baby. What forbidden language is that? Okay, do I go through here? I probably should follow light cues or stuff. Okay. Key rule. To brush up against everything as a cat. Hell? I'll help you. Okay, you want to help. Okay, I'm pretty sure you don't want to fall into this stuff. Wait. Can't you fall in? It's like, hey. People that play this are probably like yelling at me like, follow me. I'm sorry. FNAF fan when they see the follow me. Yeah, why should I trust you? I played these games before. I think the farthest I got to like was, what did I do here again? This is the part that always gets me. Oh! Okay, so wants me to jam the... I mean, if I just... Like, I don't want to be like that guy that's just like a pessimist, but... Sorry, cat. I think you're screwed. I'm the one playing. Oh. You can't tell me that's not adorable. Gosh. You can't tell me that that's not adorable. I don't know why that fan's built like that. I gotta do it. I gotta channel my inner cat. Meow meow. For science. Yeah, science. Science and... At least this is required. They just want you to be a cat. Hey wants me to, so I'm not gonna do it. So yeah, I have to do it. So. Okay, now I just got meow meow. Ooh, distraction. Is it on my paws or something? My goal is to get like covered in paint. Oh, that's your grandma's carpet. Too dang bait. Meow 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 meow. Yeah, I don't care if it tells me to stop. I'm not gonna stop. This is the game. 10 out of 10. My eyes are burning from me crying. So I'm just cutting onions. I gotta stop. Okay. See the stretchies. Meow meow. What the frick? Glargush. Yeah. Did not butcher anything. But it's just like a different language. I'm just too dumb to understand that it's that. Hey. Okay, I just killed someone. Yay! Yeah, my pizza's here, so I think this is where we're gonna leave it off. So, see you guys.